think you should stay for a week, Kim.
Yeah, absolutely.
Did a great job there. Thank you. Well, at least they've got him off the hill.
Must be a cut across my face.
Oh God, really?
He's standing.
God, really?
He's standing on him.
Shit, look at that.
Yes.
Hang on up. Oh, obviously. Yeah, Joe's.
She's told not to come out of her house.
Yeah.
Oh no, the house has been passed.
Let's have a look. Oh,
Big
yes.
bedroom.
Yeah. Shit, that's
Holy shit. Holy crap. Oh my god.
Oh, it's Bruno's house.
That's Bruno's.
Yeah. Good.
The Tesla.
Oh, that's the house there. Oh shit, bloody Tesla's naked.
Oh my god.
Oh god, everywhere you look.
Honestly, looks like a heavy war zone. I think we need to be down here cleaning up, like helping.
It's got to be. They've got to secure the area first, make sure it's safe.
Yeah. That's our Morrow's there. Yeah,
So that's up
damage.
there's Jess's house.
Shit, look at that bloody thing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, for flip's sake. You know, when you see those pictures of America where tornadoes have gone through, and you think, how come that house hasn't been touched?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, look over there. See?
That's the whole causeway. Oh, gee, no wonder it's closed.
Yeah, there. Oh, friggin' there's 20 odd power poles, eh? I believe it.
I don't think you're going to, you can't see.
I'm filming all this anyway, so
Oh, you have?
got my dash cam.
Alright.
I mean, how scary would that have been? That landing on top of your house.
Yeah, shit is.
Yeah, well that's Kahu Drive, so that woman flew into Kahu Drive
Hell.
from over here, Juicy Media Place, I think.
Poor bugger.
Shit. We should be helping, we should be out here helping. This isn't right. I think we
It
need
needs to be sort of organised though.
But you can't, it's devastation.
No.
Like it's a thing,
No.
Dad. Like this is,
I think people.
power lines aren't live anymore, so we should just be helping clear and do whatever we can to help.
Oh, he's lost his roof.
Yeah, it's got sucked away.
Yeah.
Yeah, we really should be here helping.
I really don't think. Well, we've got to get ourselves sorted out first, though.
We hardly have anything to worry about.
We've
This
got
is-
to. I want to hook up the power and
Okay.
get everything up and running again.
Yeah,
You know, we've got to live here.
right. Yeah,
This
I
isn't
know.
going to be fixed
I know,
overnight.
I know.